All right, guys, we're going to continue exploring the five themes of geography. For today, we're going to see region and place. Okay, here are the five themes of geography. Please go over them. Always go over them so you keep them in mind. Why are we exploring these themes? Because we want to try to answer this question. How do people and places interact and connect in the world? Remember, everything's connected to geography. So, the third theme we're going to look at is region. Let's explore region. In order to understand region, you need to know this question. What does this area have in common? Also, region is an area that has something in common. And these regions could be big or small. There's also three types of regions: formal, functional, and vernacular. All right, so a formal region is a clearly defined area that is unified by a characteristic or characteristics. So, for example, we have Panama. Okay, Panama is defined by provinces, cities, districts, and national reserves. We could see the provinces here with big letters: Panama, Colón, Bocas de Toro. We could see the cities. Okay, we could see the cities like Panama City, La Chorrera. Okay, and we could see the national reserves here in yellow: Cunayala. Also, it's defined by its language: Spanish, English, and the native language that are spoken in Panama. And of course, the capital, which is Panama City. Also, a landmark, Panama Canal, and its native tribes and indigenous civilizations. Okay, functional region. A functional region is a central place that works together to serve a purpose and affects its surrounded area. What is a landmark in Panama? The Panama Canal. This is a functional region. Okay, it's a functional region because it connects the Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. It transports goods more quickly. Shipping companies save money and time. And before the canal, from New York and San Francisco to Europe, it took about 67 days. Now it takes 8 to 10 hours a day. So I was lucky enough to visit the Panama Canal. Here's a picture of a boat being dragged into the canal. Here I am in one of the locks, and here I am with my wife. Okay, vernacular. Vernacular regions are areas defined by no particular formal boundaries or limits. This is a description that's in your mind. It's a mental map in your mind. For example, for tourism, Panama is described as this area right here as Panama City. Also, we have the Central Caribbean, which is Colón and the Caribbean Ocean. We also have West Panama, which is Bocas de Toro, which is little islands in the Caribbean, and David. And then we have East Panama, where we find the national park. Okay, this is not formalized, but it's something that everyone has in mind. Place. What is place? Place, you should answer this question. What is it like? It's a description of the distinct characteristics of a place or an area. There's two types. The first type is physical place or physical characteristics, and the second are human characteristics. So these are characteristics that make up the place, that make it different from other places. The physical characteristics, okay, it has everything to do with physical geography: landforms, flora, and fauna. For example, we're going to see the mountains. Okay, Panama has the San Blas Mountains, has Central Mountains, and then has the Talamanca Mountains. These are the three mountain ranges you can find in Panama. Then it also has the national Panama's national flower is the Holy Ghost orchid. Also, Panama is home to sea turtles. Okay, a lot of sea turtles go and lay their eggs on their beaches, on their coast. Um, and these are the physical characteristics. Now, human characteristics. This has everything to do with human geography, with people, with population, with buildings, with architecture, with culture, with tradition. Here is their heritage. This is a Kuna woman in a traditional dress. This is their indigenous civilization, their native people. This is the ruins of the first city or the first Spanish colony established in the Americas. Okay, it is related to Peru because Pizarro signed the pact to conquer the Tahuantinsuyo in this area here. And now some stats. Panama's population is 4.1 million, one of the most ethnically diverse countries in the world. You have Chinese, Jewish people, white people, mestizos, Hispanics. It's very diverse. And 52% of the population is Catholic and 29% is Protestant. So remember, location and place are different. Location tells you where a place is, and place tells you what it looks like.